SocIndex covers sociology literature encompassing all subdisciplines and closely related areas of study, including gender studies, criminal justice, social psychology, racial studies, religion, and social work. Let's take a look and run a couple searches. I'll do a search for opioid use and rural areas. Here we have retrieved 16 results, and like we saw in social services abstracts and PsycInfo on the PsycNet platform, we can refine our results using the left navigation to limit to peer review journals, for instance, or we can limit by subject area, and we can see more subjects by clicking Show More. Looking in the center, we'll find the same gray NYU button that'll take us to our library holdings for the results, as well as direct access to the full text PDF for certain entries. And then I have the full PDF. So that's how it works.